Do you truly control your own thoughts, or is something else pulling the strings? Studies show that up to 95% of our daily decisions are driven by the subconscious mind. That means most of what you think, feel, and choose isn't fully you at the wheel. So the real question is, who is? Our minds are incredible, but they're also deeply influenced by forces we rarely stop to examine. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on those hidden controllers, the internal and external forces quietly steering your thoughts, beliefs, and choices every single day. Understanding them is the first step to taking your mind back. Here's the uncomfortable truth. We like to believe we're rational, conscious decision makers, but the reality, most of our mental life operates on autopilot. We wake up, follow the same routines, react to the same triggers, hold the same beliefs, often without ever asking why. This autopilot isn't random. It's been programmed by your upbringing, your environment, your experiences, and forces you've never even noticed. And when you're not aware of these influences, they can lead to self-sabotage, limiting beliefs, emotional reactions you can't explain, and a life that feels like it's happening to you rather than by you. That gap between who you want to be and who you actually show up as, that's often where these hidden controllers are at work. So what exactly is controlling your mind? Let's break it down. Number 1, societal conditioning. From the moment you were born, you absorbed rules about how to behave, what to value, what success looks like. Most of these were never consciously chosen, they were inherited. Number 2, past experiences and trauma. Your brain is a pattern recognition machine. A painful experience from childhood can silently wire your reactions for decades, long after the danger has passed. Number 3, media and social media algorithms. Every scroll, every like, every recommendation is engineered to capture your attention and shape your worldview, often amplifying fear, comparison, and outrage to keep you hooked. Number 4, unconscious biases and default thought patterns. Your brain takes shortcuts called heuristics to save energy. These shortcuts are useful, but they can also lock you into outdated thinking that no longer serves you. Here's the turning point, and it's simpler than you think. Awareness is the master key. You cannot change what you cannot see, but the moment you recognize that a thought, reaction, or belief might not be originally yours, you create space. And in that space lives choice. You don't have to accept every thought as truth. You don't have to react to every trigger. You don't have to stay inside a narrative that was written for you by someone else. Start asking, where did this belief come from? Does it still serve me? Is this reaction automatic or intentional? These questions are small, but they're powerful. Because awareness doesn't just illuminate the controllers, it begins to dismantle them. Our minds are constantly being shaped by our past, our culture, our feeds, and our own deep-seated patterns. But here's what's true. You are not powerless. With awareness and intentional practice, you can identify these influences, question them, and begin steering your own thoughts and actions with purpose. The mind is a powerful thing. It's time to take yours back. So I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What do you think controls your mind the most? Is it social media, past experiences, the opinions of others? Let's talk about it. And if you want more content on personal growth, self-awareness, and unlocking your full potential, hit subscribe. New videos every week. I'll see you in the next one.